like we're on top of the world. Probably 9,200 feet here.
Yep. Going up to 13.8.
13.8.
Tallest mountain in the world, as measured from the ocean floor, which is
6.2 miles.
Yeah.
Taller than Mount Everest. All right. All smiles right now.
Feeling great. Two hikers. What happened, Jess?
Well, we just drove from sea level to 9,200 feet. Thought I'd put a little lotion on my hands and open my bottle. Under pressure. It just hit me, babe. We're hiking a volcano right now.
Hiking on a volcano.
Thankfully, a dormant one. So, Tim, what do you do when you're packing for Hawaii and you forget that you're hiking a really tall mountain and it's cold and you don't bring any kind of hat or gloves and local stores don't sell those things?
Well, you stay at a place that has a kitchen. And you bring along the oven mitts. Remember that time we thought that was the summit? It's not. It's that one. Whoops. Up the road we go.
Yes, there's a road. We've been hiking for how many hours?
Long.
And you can drive a car up here. But I got this guy who looks exactly like me.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, just saw us together.
What have we done?
They say married people start to look alike. Final ascent.
Mauna Kea, Hawaii. The 6th tallest state high point.
Did you guys get one of these tablets?
No.
You keep that, we got two.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What I'll do is get seatbelt on.